Everyone is talking about AI skills right now.
AI is an AI.
AI.
Prompt engineering, coding with AI, those are real, but they're not the ones that are actually making money for most people like you and me. In this video, I'm showing you 7 AI skills that I don't hear much talk about, but they're the exact skills that online entrepreneurs, marketers, creators, and bloggers are using right now to build real income. No coding degree, no tech background, and I'm walking you through them in order because each one builds on the last. So the first one is AI-powered product and niche research. It's the most underrated of all. Before you create anything, before you build a brand, make content, sell a product, you need to know what people actually want to buy. Most people just guess. They pick something that they like and just hope. And then it doesn't work. But AI changed this. You can literally open ChatGPT and ask it something like, what are 10 trending print-on-demand niches with low competition on Etsy right now? And it gives you a starting list. Then you can ask, what are people searching for in the cottagecore home decor niche? It suggests search phrases, product ideas, customer pain points. Or you could go to Amazon, find a competitor selling what you want to sell and ask ChatGPT, analyze this product listing. What problem is it solving? What customers are complaining about in their reviews? And what could I do better? It pulls the themes, it suggests some improvements, and it finds the gaps. It isn't magic. It's just a faster market research. And this skill applies to everything else that we're talking about today. If you know what to sell and who to sell to, everything after this becomes easier. Now, skill number 2, AI personal branding and audience building. Personal branding sounds like one of those buzzwords that nobody acts on. Look, building an audience used to take years. You would post and wait, post again, and slowly people would start paying attention to you. But AI is flipping that timeline completely. Here's what you can actually do. You open ChatGPT and tell it, for example, I'm a blogger in the sustainable living niche. Help me create 5 content pillars that position me as an expert. It gives you themes, and then you can ask, write me a Pinterest bio that explains what I do in 10 words. Done. Give me 30 blog post ideas that I can create from my content pillars. You have a month of content mapped out. Or if you're stuck on what makes you different, you could ask, my competitors all teach meal prep, for example. So how can I stand out in this space? It tells you to stop teaching meal prep and teach the problem before food. So since most people fail at meal prep because of decision fatigue, emotional eating, or chaotic schedules, it gives you many ways to find your unique positioning in this niche. So who are the people growing fast right now? They are using AI to do the heavy lifting and spending their actual time on the stuff that matters, connecting with their audience and creating things that they enjoy making. But all of that branding work, it needs content, real content. And that's where it gets interesting, because the next skill is AI video editing and repurposing. And honestly, this one is a game changer. It's AI video production. And I don't mean just editing, I mean actually creating video content from scratch using AI. Think about it. If you're a blogger, a coach, someone selling digital products, video is everywhere right now. YouTube, Reels, TikTok. You need video to promote what you do, but filming and editing and making it all look professional, that can take hours, or money, or sometimes both. And that's where AI video tools are completely changing the game. You can type a prompt or even just upload a single image and the AI generates a full video. Cinematic quality, multiple shots, and in seconds. But here is what actually shocked me when I tested this. The newer models don't just generate the visuals, they generate the audio at the same time.
This is so amazing!
See, no editing, just done. So this is actually why I partnered with Seedance for this part of the video, to show you how this works in practice. Seedance 1.5 Pro is one of the most advanced AI video generation models out there right now, built by Byte Plus. You write your prompt or drop in an image, and it creates a cinematic, multi-shot video with native synchronized audio. Ambient sounds, sound effects, music, all in one go. I played for you the very first clip it generated, and it doesn't even need any edits. And the Pro Fast version does it 3 times faster than competitors at 60% lower cost. You can control aspect ratios, camera movements, video styles. It's built for everything, from product demos to marketing videos to training content. So if video production is a skill that you actually want to monetize, and trust me, it should be monetized, Seedance is worth trying. They have a free trial with 2 million tokens. Links in the description. Go check it out. Alright, skill number 4. This one is the reason why a lot of people create amazing content and then nobody sees it. We're talking about AI for SEO and content distribution. You can make the best video, the best blog post, the most beautiful Pinterest pins, but if nobody finds them, none of it matters. SEO used to be complicated, almost mysterious, but AI changed that. You can now use AI to do keyword research in seconds. Tools like ChatGPT can help you brainstorm keyword variations and content angles for your niche. You tell it what you're creating your content about, and it suggests dozens of related search phrases and questions that people might be typing in. It's faster than starting at a blank page trying to think of ideas yourself. And the distribution side, well, AI helps you figure out the best times to post, which platforms to prioritize, how to repurpose one piece of content across Pinterest, YouTube, everywhere. It's like having an SEO strategist and a social media marketing manager working for you at the same time, and for free. This skill turns content into traffic and traffic into money. Skill 5, AI email marketing and sales funnels. You get traffic to your site. Great. But if you're not converting the traffic into buyers, it's just numbers on a screen. Email is still the highest ROI channel for online businesses. But building sequences and writing landing pages and segmenting audiences, it used to take forever. AI speeds this up. You can use ChatGPT to draft your email sequences, welcome series, cart abandonment emails, nurture campaigns. You can give it your brand voice and what you're selling, and it writes the copy. And then you can just paste it into whatever email marketing tool you're using, like Kit, MailChimp, whatever. And here's where it gets really powerful. You can build different sequence types for different goals. A welcome sequence that introduces new subscribers to your brand, a cart abandonment sequence that brings people back to finish their purchase, or a nurture sequence that warms up cold leads over time. And the best part is that with AI, you can test multiple versions of what works, you can tweak the copy and improve, and this is the fastest way to turn visitors into paying customers without spending hours writing every single email yourself. Skill 6, AI workflow automation. This is the skill that makes everything else run on autopilot. You set it up once and it runs forever. Think about all the repetitive tasks that you do. Moving data between apps, posting content, sending follow-ups, organizing files. Automation tools like Zapier and Make.com connect your apps together. You can set up triggers like when I publish a new blog post, and then actions like create a Pinterest pin from the featured image. And here's a real example. New blog post is published on my WordPress site. The automation pulls the title and featured image, and it creates Pinterest pins, it schedules social media posts, adds the post link to your email newsletter draft, and logs it into your content calendar. All of that happens without you touching anything. Or if someone buys your product, say on Gumroad, The automation sends them the thank you email, adds them to your email list on Kit, and tags them based on what they bought. One purchase, multiple things happen automatically. This is how you scale without hiring a team. You can build a system once using the automation platforms and it runs on repeat. But you focus on the work that actually grows your business. Okay, skill 7. This is the one everyone came here for. AI for building digital products and passive income. The dream isn't just to be busy. The dream is to make money while we sleep. Digital products are one of the best ways to do that. Digital courses, templates, ebooks, email sequences, products that you create once and then sell over and over. The problem used to be that creating these took forever. Writing a course could take you months. Designing a template collection, probably weeks. Building an email funnel, I don't even want to think about it. But now AI does almost all of that tedious work. It helps you outline and write your course content, design templates, build email sequences that actually convert, and it can even create the sales pages to sell them. And all of this can compound. One piece of content becomes multiple products. That blog post can become a mini course module, a lead magnet, a Pinterest template pack, an email series. You create it once and AI helps you package it 5 different ways. And you can sell it on repeat. The people who are winning at passive income right now are not the ones that are working harder. They are using AI to build faster, to launch faster, and scale faster. That's the real skill, knowing how to put all of these pieces together into something that actually makes money. Now, I want to know which one of the skills you want me to go deeper on. Drop it in the comments. Subscribe and hit that like button if you found this video helpful. And meanwhile, I will leave you my video with the most overlooked markets that need your AI skills. Check it up there, and I'll see you in the next one.